Are you ready to unlock the universe from your own backyard? Whether you're hunting for the best telescope for beginners, curious about which models top the charts this year, or simply want an easy-to-use telescope that delivers breathtaking views of the night sky, you're in the right place. In this video, we're revealing the best telescopes of this year, handpicked for clarity, quality, and beginner-friendly setup. These aren't just popular. They're consumer favorites and trusted by first-time stargazers and seasoned hobbyists alike. From compact models to advanced optics, we've got a telescope for every skill level and budget. All product links are in the description. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe for more sky-gazing gear nuggets. If you're looking for one of the best telescopes of this year, for beginners and adults alike, the Gskyer 600 by 90mm AZ Astronomical Refractor is a standout pick. Built with precision German technology, this telescope combines durability with crisp image quality, making it ideal for moon and planet viewing. Its 90mm aperture gathers enough light for sharp, bright images, while the 600mm focal length ensures clear magnification. The AZ mount is smooth and easy to operate, even for newcomers to astronomy. The included 3 eyepieces and 3x Barlow lens allow you to experiment with different magnifications without needing extra gear. One of the biggest perks is the included smartphone adapter, perfect for capturing and share your discoveries. Whether you're just starting or returning to stargazing, this model delivers an intuitive experience with pro-level results. Lightweight but sturdy, it's easy to transport and set up for backyard sky watching or stargazing on the go. Its quality build, ease of use, and image clarity make it a solid pick on Amazon and among consumer favorites. Beginners will appreciate its straightforward assembly, while intermediate users can grow into its full capabilities. For those searching for an easy-to-use telescope for adults or an entry-level refractor, this model checks every box. If you're looking to introduce astronomy to your child or a beginner stargazer, the Gskyer 70mm Aperture 400mm AZ mount refracting telescope is one of the best telescopes of this year in the entry-level category. Designed specifically for beginners and kids, this model balances performance with simplicity, delivering a user-friendly experience without overwhelming features. With a 70mm aperture and 400mm focal length, the telescope allows bright and clear views of the moon, planets, and even some star clusters. The optics are fully coated to enhance image brightness and reduce glare, which is crucial for young users still learning to focus. The adjustable aluminum tripod provides solid stability, and the smooth AZ mount makes navigation effortless, even for small hands. What truly makes this telescope a hit among parents and gift givers is its all-in-one bundle. It includes a durable carrying bag, a smartphone adapter for astrophotography, and a wireless remote so users can capture celestial shots without touching the scope, minimizing vibration and blur. It's lightweight and easy to set up, making it an ideal choice for family nights under the stars or classroom demonstrations. Highly rated on Amazon and a top pick for beginner-friendly telescopes, this Gskyer model offers everything needed to spark curiosity about the universe. It's a perfect blend of affordability, portability, and functionality. Whether you're looking for the best telescope for kids, a starter scope that travels well, or an engaging way to learn astronomy, this telescope checks all the boxes. Add in its reliable performance and thoughtful design, and it's clear why this model earns a spot among consumer favorites in beginner telescopes. When it comes to portable, high-performance gear among the best telescopes of this year, this 80mm aperture, 600mm refracting telescope delivers on every front. With a fully multi-coated lens and high transmission coatings, it captures crisp and vivid images, whether you're viewing planets, stars, or the moon's surface. The 80mm aperture allows significant light gathering, while the 600mm focal length offers great detail without sacrificing portability. Ideal for both adults and teens, this telescope includes an AZ mount for easy maneuverability, a stable tripod, and helpful accessories like a phone adapter and wireless remote. Perfect for astrophotography and sky sharing. Whether you're a total beginner or just want a reliable telescope for travel, this one ticks all the boxes. It comes with a padded carrying bag, so you can pack it up for camping trips or backyard astronomy nights. The wireless control adds convenience for capturing steady shots without touching the scope. Its intuitive assembly and straightforward controls make it a strong pick for those searching for a telescope for beginners with easy setup. Highly rated among consumer favorites on Amazon, it blends performance, build quality, and portability. If you're hunting for a beginner-friendly scope with above-average optics, this model deserves a top spot on your list. Celestron StarSense Explorer LT114 AZ Newtonian Reflector easily earns its place among the best telescopes of this year, with its powerful optics and modern tech integration. This beginner-friendly reflector telescope features a 114mm aperture, allowing rich detail and bright images of celestial objects. Its key innovation is the smartphone dock with app-enabled star tracking technology. Just dock your phone, and the app will guide you to planets, constellations, and deep sky wonders in real time. It includes two eyepieces, a 2x Barlow lens for extra magnification, and an adjustable tripod for stable viewing. Ideal for those who want a hassle-free entry into astronomy. This telescope removes the guesswork with its intuitive sky recognition system. The AZ mount is easy to navigate, while the optics deliver satisfying clarity. Despite its advanced features, the LT114AZ is extremely user-friendly, making it one of the top telescopes for beginners on Amazon. It's also lightweight enough to move around your yard or take to a dark sky site. If you're someone who loves combining tech with learning, or you're buying a gift for a beginner who loves gadgets, this telescope is a win. Celestron has long been considered one of the best telescope brands for beginners, and this model lives up to the hype with a balance of performance, simplicity, and cutting-edge guidance. Dream come true for serious beginners and advancing astronomers. Its 8-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain optical tube offers exceptional light gathering, allowing users to explore everything from Saturn's rings to distant nebulae in remarkable clarity. The star feature is its fully automated GoTo mount paired with sky-aligned technology. Just align with 3 bright stars, and the telescope will locate over 40,000 celestial objects on command. It's incredibly beginner-friendly despite its powerful specs, thanks to its intuitive handset controls and detailed instruction manual. The sturdy single-arm fork mount and steel tripod offer stability, and its compact form factor makes it portable for stargazing trips. It's also a favorite for planetary imaging, especially when paired with a smartphone adapter. Though pricier than basic models, it's an investment that grows with you, ideal for both hobbyists and those diving deep into astronomy. Among Amazon's top-rated telescopes, the NexStar 8SE offers unmatched performance, precision, and user satisfaction. If you're looking for an easy-to-use computerized telescope that simplifies deep sky exploration without sacrificing detail, this is your go-to. For stargazers ready to level up, this scope delivers the best of both tech and optics. All of the product links are in the description, and hit the bell icon and subscribe.